FuelActive will give us a return on capital in less than a year, in fact 8 months. And in all my life in investing in plant machinery, I've never known anything with such a quick return. I'm a great believer in if it does what it says on the tin, what more can you ask? And I'd recommend it to anyone because it's saving us money, it's making our fleet more efficient, and ultimately it's saving CO2 emissions.
As a business, we spend an awful lot of money every year on fuel, and that we were suffering a fair bit of water ingress into our fuel. Having first read about FuelActive online, it was a fairly obvious request to the company to come and have a chat with us straight afterwards. We've committed to install 50 FuelActive units over the next 18 months. 31 have currently been installed. All the new equipment will come fitted with it. If we were to save the 5% suggested, we'd be looking to save probably about £150,000 per annum on our diesel costs. I would certainly recommend FuelActive.
We've been running FuelActive in our Grandog welfare units, mobile welfare units, the 6 kVA generator, for 10 years as a standard product. If we make about 600 units a year, that's roughly around about 6,000 mobile welfare units that the FuelActive is fitted into. Very rough maths, if you take 40-hour week, 80% utilisation, my maths works that's out roughly at about 10 million hours of running with the FuelActive system, all free of contamination.
We've always had problems with fuel contamination, and we've always tried to find ways to prevent it, to combat it. We've tried all sorts, additional types of filters, special draining filters. We've tried different additives for the fuel. With FuelActive, it gives me peace of mind, less downtime for the customer. So really it's a win-win for all of us. It's so simple, but so effective. And usually we've installed on all the excavators, telehandlers, dumpers, but we've installed it on our HGV fleet as well. With FuelActive in the future, every new item of equipment we can have it fitted to will be fitted to. That's how confident we are with FuelActive.
Although it be sporadic, there were major issues that we were finding with fuel contamination across our sites. With FuelActive, the installation process was very straightforward. So machines like the one behind me on site, it would take FuelActive less than an hour to complete the fitment. It decreases the downtime that we once saw with fuel contamination. I would thoroughly recommend it.